Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open the Jwear app on your Android phone to start the wallpaper process. Ensure your smartwatch is paired over Bluetooth and visible to your phone. Have the wallpaper image saved to your phone gallery or files in PNG or JPEG format. Check that your phone battery is above 20% and the watch has at least 15% battery. Confirm the Jwear app has permission to access storage and Bluetooth on your phone. Tap the Wallpaper menu in Jwear and choose Set Wallpaper to begin. Select the image from Gallery or Files and crop for 360 x 360 pixels or a square aspect. Use the pinch and drag controls to position the focal point of the image precisely. Tap Upload and wait for the transfer complete notification before touching your phone or watch. Keep both devices within 3 meters. Use the preview to adjust scale and position before applying the wallpaper to your watch face. When you are satisfied, tap Apply and observe the watch update within a few seconds. If the wallpaper looks cropped or misaligned, return to crop and adjust scale until it fits the display correctly. If transfer fails, toggle Bluetooth and reconnect the watch, then retry the upload process. For persistent errors, clear Jwear cache or reinstall the app and retry with a smaller image file size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.